Today I'm going to show you how easy you can create a high-converting video script using Scriptelo. With Scriptelo, you can create a script for a Facebook video, or an affiliate marketing script, maybe a one-time offer or an upgrade order script. In today's example, I'm going to try to create a script for selling boxing bags. Yeah, that's right, so I have no clue about boxing bags, but still, I'm going to be able to create a great converting script by using Scriptelo. So I'm going to type in boxing bags right here and move to the next step. Right here, you need to fill in the product niche, right? So this can be weight loss, woodworking, or make money online. For our boxing bag example, I'm going to go with a product niche, weight loss. So let's see. In this case, I'm going to enter Delay boxing bag, and the type of product is a boxing bag. Now that we filled all the information in, let's hit next. And that's it. Our script is created, and here it is. So if you read it right now, you'll see it looks and sounds perfect. And believe me, it's going to convert like crazy. Let's see. Today, you're going to discover the secret to lose weight and get fit. If you can exercise for 10 minutes each day, you will lose weight and get fit. All the words in yellow are the words that you filled in step 2. The rest is the script that was automatically generated for you by Scriptelo. It's really that simple to create stunning and great converting scripts using Scriptelo. Right now, we're running a special founders offer that will allow you to get Scriptelo for a one-time fee with a huge discount. Plus, your order is 100% risk-free. If Scriptelo will not pay for itself, you will receive a full refund, no questions asked. So, what are you waiting for? Check out all the details below and profit from the special founders offer.